Renee is a busy mom juggling her family and her thriving organic restaurant.
I'm a full-time mom. I'm also a full-time business owner. I have two daughters. They are 7 and 4 years old. My husband also, he has a private art studio, so I kind of help him run that. And I'm also in a band.
She has energy-efficient appliances and LED lighting. She sources nearly all of her food from local farms and tries to minimize her energy use for the sake of the environment and her bottom line.
Local sourcing our food is really important. For one, it lowers the carbon footprint, which is great. When I source locally and what's in season, the food's gonna taste better. So it's kind of a win-win. And even as a business owner, if you are sourcing locally, it's gonna be cheaper. It's still gonna be high quality. I can get great organic produce at a reasonably low rate. So I can offer my customers some clean, good eating.
Today, Mona from National Grid will help her lighten her carbon footprint even more with the help of Connected Solutions.
So I came today to meet Renee. In talking to her, I can tell that, the sustainability, the environment, and serving healthy food is important to her.
Everything down from the straw that you're going to drink with, the plates, the silverware, everything is going to be biodegradable, compostable. I feel really passionate about it. So, with the lighting, the energy, all of that, we're just looking to how else can we make a better impact.
I'm here today to tell her a little bit more about Connected Solutions that's going to help her save even more energy and save her some money as well.
Connected Solutions is a program offered by National Grid to help keep customers in New York, Rhode Island, and Massachusetts cool during the hot summer months. They even have incentive programs to encourage people to install smart thermostats.
So she's already done LED lighting. She has equipment here which is energy efficient. It's Energy Star equipment. She has a Wi-Fi thermostat that's already saving her energy, but she can save even more with Connected Solutions.
Now that Renee has her ecobee thermostat installed, Mona goes over the details of their program.
I think it'll be a great program for you. So you really don't have to do anything. The thermostat is automatically adjusted a few times in the summer. We call them peak energy events. A peak event is when you have a really hot summer day and everybody's using their air conditioning and there's a huge impact on the grid.
National Grid pays customers to reduce their electric usage during peak times when the grid is being overworked.
What we're trying to do is reduce the usage during those peak times because the fuels we use to generate energy at that peak time are really dirty and really pollute the environment. She had some questions about how she should enroll into the program. So it's a 3-step, online process. She really doesn't have to do anything else, just go online and sign up.
It seems like a pretty easy program to enroll in, and she also said if it wasn't working for us that we can always easily opt out.
I think the program really aligns with the values of her restaurant. We at National Grid are looking to create a healthy environment for our customers, and I think you're doing the same with the food you serve here.
And it's really tasty.
And it is really tasty. It really is. Connected Solutions as a program can really benefit small business customers like Renee with saving money as well as saving energy. We pay you for actually enrolling in the program.
Okay.
And then we also give you incentives for participating in the events.
I like that part.
Yeah.
Free money is good. We can always use it to buy more kale.
For more information, go to designingspaces.tv or nationalgridus.com/Connected Solutions. You can go to these websites to learn more about the participants on this edition of Designing Spaces.